Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to add money to your PayPal balance. Firstly, visit paypal.com or open the app and sign in using your email and password. On the home page, under your PayPal balance, tap or click on Transfer Money. Choose the Add Money to Your Balance option on the next screen. Type the amount you want to add from your linked bank account, then click Add, and then add the amount on the confirmation page to complete the process. The transfer time may take from 1 to 3 business days depending on your method, and the fee, of course, it's free. So, make sure your bank account is linked to your PayPal before starting the transfer. If you need help linking a bank account or using instant top-up features, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.